So today I have an exciting unboxing for you. It's especially exciting for me because it's a watch from a company that I have zero hands-on experience with, although I have been following along their journey since they relaunched the brand a few years back. The company is Nevada Grenchen, and I just had this package show up from FedEx yesterday. I've been dying to get into it. The watch is a reissue of a watch of theirs from the 1970s. Think it's going to be a pretty cool one, so let's check it out. Okay, so got a pretty large package here. Two times in a row, I recently did an unboxing with another watch that came from FedEx, and it showed up just filthy like this one, but that is all right. Let's rip into this thing. Because the package is so large, I may have to shut the camera off and readjust a little bit once we get into this, but a box within a bag. All right, let's see what we got here. Different little style of packing peanut that I've never seen before. Gonna make a big mess here. All right. So let's do just that. I'm going to adjust the camera. We're going to clean up the mess and check out the watch. All right, so we've got a pretty nondescript box here. Barcode that might have the model number on there as well. Well, they just gave it away right there. The Antarctic Spider. Pretty cool outer box, though. So this came out, I believe, the early last year, early 2022. I did notice on the site, they gave me the option to pick any watch on the site, and I did that a couple of weeks ago. Chose this particular watch. I see that this model is currently sold out, so I did put in a request to find out when they would be replenishing stock, and I'll put that in a pinned comment or in the description below, so keep an eye out for that. Guarantee valid for 2 years. Swiss watch number 0123. And here is the watch itself. Love that spider dial. If I'm not mistaken, all of the Antarctic watches have the same case, I believe I read earlier. Let's get in and look at that dial. And just with a bunch of variations on the dial itself. Oh, man. Finish work looks really good. That little blue sticker on the crown there. Date magnifier works good. Now, is this a push-pull? Nope, screw down crown. Check out that needle thin second hand. Very nice. Screw down case back. beautiful crystal. I think this is a double domed crystal, if I remember correctly. We'll go through all of that specifications in a follow-up video after some wrist time with the watch. This thing is gorgeous. Really nice. It's available on quite a few different strap options, some Forstner bracelets, a couple of different leather straps. I think it looks really good on leather, although this is one of those watches that's going to look really good on just about anything. So let's see if it looks good on my wrist. And totally rookie move on my part. I didn't notice that there was plastic on the crystal at first. I got it off there now, so hopefully the last shot turned out okay, the last little clip there. But now that I have it off, one thing that I noticed is that little bit of polish on the lugs there. You can see it's partially brushed with polished areas, and that is just beautiful. I will have a ton of fun wearing this watch. Keep an eye out for the follow-up video on this in the next few days. Big thanks to Nivada Grenchen for lending this into the channel. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.